Now, we will continue to track the developments here. Right now, we'll be shifting focus. In Karnataka, political tensions escalated as the opposition BJP MLAs and MLCs staged an intense protest over alleged irregularities involving land allotments. The controversy centers around plots allocated by the Mysuru Urban Development Authority to individuals, including the Chief Minister, Siddaramaya's wife. Now, the BJP's attempts to discuss the issue in the Legislative Assembly and Council were thwarted, leading to a dramatic day and night dharna inside of the Assembly Hall. The Assembly Speaker, UT Kedar, rejected the BJP's adjournment motion, citing procedural reasons, and later emphasized on the need to form an inquiry committee to probe the allegations. Now, the ruling Congress defended the Speaker's decision, arguing that it followed parliamentary rules. However, the BJP accused the government of evading scrutiny and claimed that it was a tactic to stifle debate. Now, Karnataka BJP MLAs were seen carrying pillows and blankets inside the State Assembly and having dinner inside of the Assembly as they continued their dharna in the House overnight.
In the state of Karnataka, for the netas here, sleeping overnight in the assembly doesn't seem to be something that's new. They've done it in the past as well, whether it's been the BJP, the JDS or the Congress. We've seen that, this form of protest there by camping overnight in the assembly is something that's often resorted to when a point needs to be driven home. As far as the BJP now is concerned, they're continuing to demand the Chief Minister's resignation over the entire Muda scam here. But the government, of course, has countered this further, saying that there's already a judicial inquiry that's being conducted into this. The Chief Minister's, in fact, of course, commissioned an inquiry there. And more importantly, now, even as the politics around this entire issue is escalating, it seems like, matters of the House are being sidelined. Yes, while on one hand, we're seeing a couple of bills there being passed, routine business going on there. But, of course, it seems like the BJP refusing to let the heat of the government right now, going on to disrupt the session there, protesting in large numbers in the well of the assembly, overnight protests as well, and now even planning a Padayatra from Monday all the way from Bengaluru to Mysuru.
Now let's listen in to some of the reactions on this that came in earlier today.
बड़ा घोटाला करने के बाद भी ये लोग ऐसा करे कुछ हुआ ही नहीं ऐसा लग रहा है, ऐसा सोचने के लिए भी ये लोग कर रहे हैं। लेकिन डिस्कशन इतना तो पता चल चुका है पूरा कर्नाटक राज्य और पूरा देश के लोगों को, ये लोग डिस्कशन करने के लिए भी रेडी नहीं है। तो ये तो पता चलता है ये तो घोटाला 100% कर दिया है। आने वाले दिन में आज भी हम धरना के ऊपर रहेंगे, बाद में हमारा लीडर जो बताए वो करेगा। इसके लिए वो लोग तो रिजाइन कर देना चाहिए, लेकिन रिजाइन करने का छोड़ दो, ये लोग डिबेट करने के लिए भी रेडी नहीं है। इतना घटिया सरकार आज तक हम कभी भी नहीं देखा।
जो अभी जो मोड़ा का एक 4000 करोड़ का एक बहुत घोटाला है, बहुत भ्रष्टाचार उसमें, जो ये लैंड एक्विजिशन में और जो प्लॉट आवंटित करने में, हम चाहते हैं सभी का जो ये हुआ घोटाला हुआ है, जब येडियुरप्पा का ज़माने में, सिद्धरामैया के ज़माने में, बोम्मई का ज़माने में, जो भी है सबका भंडाफोड़ होना चाहिए।
ये मैसूर मोड़ा का ये प्रकरण है ना, पूरा झूठ का है, 100% फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट। जुडिशियल केस दिया है, जुडिशियल में ये केस है ना, और इंक्वायरी होने के बाद क्या आता है उसके बाद वो चर्चा हो सकता है, बिफोर डिस्कशन नहीं हो सकता है ना। ये
They have sent a resolution, adjournment motion in respect of Muda. Something had happened in the Mysore, but it is not a regular. It is not 3-4 years back it was happened. Now it was appeared in the media. Then they are starting. According to my opinion, it is not fit case for the discussion. In resolution, they moved the resolution. No? If they ask in some other way, I can consider it.